Hey everybody, I'm Mark from Upgrades Complete. This challenge is for all of us in the 3D printing community, and it's a fun one. Our community stepped up in the dark times to print PPE for our first responders. Now let's use our skills to bring a smile to some children's faces that are in children's hospitals in your local area. We all have boxes of these prototypes sitting around. Let's finish them up. Let's print some toys, props, cosplay, art, games, anything to make a kid smile, with the goal of dropping it off at your local children's hospital by July 31st for Christmas in July for some deserving kids. Guidelines are simple. Hashtag your builds with 3D PC for kids. Make sure they're child safe or age appropriate, and that they're 3D printed. To up Danny a little bit, we're going to do a TikTok versus YouTube Shorts. So if you use both platforms, different designs on each one. Finally, coordinate with other local members of your 3D printing community and arrange a drop-off.